This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have access and tools. Begin by authenticating and placing the Bachira Azure Latch package where you control it. First, use as login to connect, then set your subscription and resource group so commands target the right scope. Next, register any required resource providers. This prevents later deployment failures. Once done, unzip or extract the Latch package into a working folder and verify the included manifest files. Make sure API credentials are stored securely and accessible by the deployment process. Now deploy the core components with your chosen template engine. ARM or Bicep ensures repeatable results. Start by creating the resources defined in the manifest, then assign a managed identity or service principal so the Latch can authenticate to other Azure services. Configure network security groups and private endpoints to limit exposure. This reduces attack surface. Also, apply role-based access control to service identities. Once resources finish provisioning, validate endpoints and identity permissions. Finish by injecting environment variables and secrets into the Latch runtime, and then start the service. Run integration tests that exercise authentication flows and data paths so you confirm end-to-end behavior. Monitor telemetry and error logs for startup warnings and failed calls. If the service does not function, first check identity permissions and role assignments, then validate network rules and private endpoint connectivity. Finally, inspect deployment logs for template errors. Correcting those usually resolves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.